Hello everyone, so welcome back to the second part of creating a to-do app with vibe coding. So in first part, we basically created something really simple, creating the basic project structure of our application, where we basically created a plan that would help us in developing different features, and we just created a basic mockup screen where we have a simple user interface, as you can see, where it has a nice HTML structure with some CSS applied. So today we will go with something like implementing the second feature. So here our goal is that by clicking the plus button, we should be able to create a new to-do item. So I'm going to ask Cursor to go with the next implementation of the feature. And as you can see, it will go through all the files and help me implement the second feature. Also, you can see that my application is running on port 5500. So we will just wait and see how it basically create all the files for us, or technically modifying all the files for us. Okay, it has basically created an in-memory to-dos array for us, and it has added a styling item with a class to-do item here. Let me just... All right, you can see here it has added a to-do item and a to-do text class here. And also it has modified the index.html file here. Let me just check and see. All right. And it has updated the JavaScript file. So I'm going to keep all the changes and see how they are basically showing up. Okay. So as you can see, we don't have any to-do items right now, so I will just try to add a couple of them, and you can see it has been added. And if I go with something like another one, then it is also going to add here. So pretty much everything is working in the feature 2 side, right? So the feature 2 is completed. Now we will go with the feature 3, which is basically implementation of checkbox toggle that will help us. Let's say if we mark a to-do item completing, so that will basically show us a checkbox, and once we click it, then the to-do item will be completed. Okay, so I'm going to tell it to implement the feature 3. Going step by step helps us in looking at all the changes, and that way we will make sure that all of our code is working and we can properly do all the testing. So it is going to explore the files, making a logic for it. Right now it has modified this file actor.js and styles.css. All right. So basically, it has modified two files, app.js and styles.css. Okay, I'm going to keep all the changes and see how they are working. All right, so see, our to-do is working the way it is supposed to work, and the checkbox is also working, right? Now let's move toward the fourth feature, which is basically delete the individual to-do items. Okay, so once we basically click on the trace style icon, so it will delete that specific to-do item. So I'll just say and with the F04 it is going to delete all the individual to-do items. So right now we don't have any persistent storage. That is the part of feature 5, because in the start we have divided all of our application structure in different features, which will help us like navigating between different features. So as usual, it is going to add a couple of methods here to delete to do, and it is filtering all to do's items, and then after that it is rendering the DOM again. This render function is called here, which basically goes through all the to-do items and render them on the screen with checkboxes, and also make sure that they are shown as completed or incomplete depending upon their status. Okay, I'm going to keep all the changes and see how they are showing up. So let me just make a couple of to-do items. All right, see, our to-do items are pretty much working the way it is supposed to work. And if I delete any item, it will delete this to-do item from our list. Okay, so we have pretty much implemented 3 features in this video, and the second feature was adding new to-dos, then marking complete or incomplete to-do items, and then deleting the individual to-dos items. Okay, in the next video we will go towards implementation of feature 5, 6 and 7, and I hope you guys have got the basic idea how things are working. If you guys have any questions, so please feel free to comment and I will surely help you. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.